Microsoft PowerPoint and Apple Keynote are both fantastic slide presentation software suites. Today we're going to figure out which one is actually better. So jumping into Microsoft PowerPoint now, another powerhouse of software. So now PowerPoint is very much AI powered. It can help you design and create content seamlessly. Copilot now generates entire presentations from just prompts with including your style and your tone. You can design ideas that suggest professional layouts instantly, while still advanced images editing or removing backgrounds is possible. You can also extract text directly in the app. It gives you real-time co-authoring via the Microsoft 365 and OneDrive integrations, which can help you and your team stay synchronized. It gives you an accessibility ribbon, which centralizes inclusive design tools, while the presenter view with Cameo delivers speaker notes and live camera feed. It can also embed videos from Microsoft Stream, YouTube, or you can even record your presentations with voice and video. You can export this as an MP4 or a PDF or an interactive hyperlinked document to meet diverse sharing needs across platforms. Business teams create investor pitches and quarterly reviews with this sort of thing. Educators can deliver interactive lessons and student projects, and government agencies as well as non-profit can produce training materials and policy presentations with professionally polished documents and presentations. Also, it dominates with 89% usage share in professional presentations worldwide. It's bundled in the Microsoft Office suite, and it's pre-installed in most enterprises and schools. It also has deep integrations, and it's got a very strong ecosystem, so you can use Excel, Word, Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, and a bunch more, and you can include this and you can integrate it into PowerPoint. Also, they are frequently updated and continuously making advancements. And then the Slide Master ensures consistent corporate branding across large teams. You get flexible templates and themes that adapt to diverse industries and presentation styles, which basically means that you can have brand awareness. All right, let's have a look at Apple Keynote now. So Apple Keynote is an intuitive, sleek app, and it's crafted specifically for Mac, iPad, and iPhone users, and it enables seamless cross-device editing and presenting. You can work on your presentation anytime, anywhere. It also has great built-in templates and dynamic backgrounds that make presentations visually captivating with minimal effort. The advanced animation and cinema quality transitions enhance storytelling and audience engagement. You also get live video integrations that let you add picture-in-picture live camera feeds from your iPhone, your iPad screen directly into the slides. Multiple presenters can control a single deck remotely across Apple devices for collaborative presenting. And then it's perfect for product launches, sales decks, corporate reports, and this is all with custom templates. And then engaging talks with rich visuals. It's great. It's free with all Apple devices for professionals, educators, and students, or even if you're just a casual user. Having a look at what more it offers. So it gives effortless sync across all of your devices. Your presentations will just follow you wherever you go. Apple's unique UI shows only relevant tools, reducing clutter and accelerating slide creation, which offers faster setup with gorgeous templates compared to more complex competitors. It has the easy drag and drop automatic handwriting to text conversion, and this is with the Apple Pencil and the background removal for images and videos built right in there. It is increasingly popular among creative professionals and startups as a flexible design tool that goes far beyond traditional presentations. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and try the software for yourself and see what actually works in a real life scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.